Right now, a parasite is rewiring the brain of 1 in every 3 people watching this video. It makes them take deadly risks. It makes them attracted to things that want to kill them, and no drug can remove it. It's called Toxoplasma gondii. Single-celled, it gets into your brain, builds cysts inside your neurons, and stays for life. In mice, we can see exactly what it does. Infected mice don't just lose their fear of cats, they become sexually attracted to the smell of cat urine. And here's the part that shouldn't be possible. This only happens with cats. Foxes, dogs, weasels, the fear response stays intact. It edits one signal, the one that matters for its life cycle. The parasite has 2 moves. First, it colonizes the amygdala, the fear center of the brain. Once cysts are inside amygdala neurons, the fear circuit stops firing normally. Second, the parasite makes its own dopamine. It carries the gene for the enzyme, and it pumps dopamine directly into the tissue around every cyst. In infected mice, whole brain dopamine goes up by 14%. Fear down, rewards up. In the exact region that decides whether an animal walks toward a threat or away from it. For decades, we assumed this only mattered in rodents. Then, Yellowstone. 26 years of continuous wolf data. When researchers went back and tested infection status, they found something no one expected. Wolves that carried Toxoplasma were 46 times more likely to become pack leaders, 11 times more likely to leave their pack entirely and strike out alone. That is exactly the kind of high-risk, high-reward behavior a parasite would want in a host it needs to spread. And it isn't just wolves. In Kenya, infected hyena cubs got closer to lions than uninfected cubs. Every single infected cub death in the dataset was from a lion attack. We're not mice, we're not wolves, but we are mammals. Same amygdala, same dopamine system. People who test positive for Toxoplasma take more risks. They have slower reaction times behind the wheel. They get into significantly more car accidents. They are more likely to walk away from a stable job to start their own business. They are more impulsive. They are less afraid of the things that used to scare them. Correlation, not causation. Nobody has proven this parasite is making humans do these things, but the pattern keeps showing up, country after country, study after study. So here's the question that keeps me up at night. How much of human behavior is actually human? How much of the risk you took, the fight you started, the leap you made, the fear you didn't feel, how much of that was you? And how much of it was a passenger in your brain, quietly voting on your decisions? Stay curious.